Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error, delay notifications error on your iPhone. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general, and in the general you need to find here background app refresh. So just check here if you turn on. If you turn off, just turn on again. Here just choose Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you still have this issue, so another way you can also just try to go back, find here notifications, just open notifications, just tap on show preview and just choose always. And here if you still have this error, so another thing you need to try, just go to do not disturb and just check if you turn off here do not disturb, because if you turn on do not disturb you won't receive any notifications on your iPhone. So and if you still have this error, so just go to the general, and in the general you need to find here shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if you have still this problem, so just go to the general again and just tap here on reset and just choose reset network settings. So just tap on it, just enter your passcode and just submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.